up? It's Magi Bear. I completed my audio engineering and music production certification from Recording Connection. I loved it. I had so much fun. I got to work at a real studio at Excellent Studios in Hollywood. Really fun environment to work in. Great people. I worked with some really great artists. Leon Thompson, who's an amazing producer. Got to record for Martine, who's like a beautiful singer. Check her out. And Wei Wei, who's like this up-and-coming super fun pop artist. And the best part is being at the studio and learning from people. And then not only that, but then I got more connections around the country. Now I'm working with someone in Atlanta for Callow Vance, who's this like really dope house music producer, and he's working with Mac Woodward and Woodward Company. And I got to mix the vocals, and it was so much fun doing that. Check out the track, it's coming out soon. And I recommend, if you do want to learn at a real studio and make great connections with real artists, I had a blast and I have the work just flowing on in. Life is good. Have a great time.